Hi and welcome. Today I thought I would show you some exhaust manifold repair and flex pipe repair on my trusty old Toyota Corolla, my little rally car as I call it. I done 2 years ago I did some repair on this exhaust flex pipe. Not a nice weld, but it's been holding up for 2 years and it's still holding up. But now it's broken in the front here. So I think it's time to replace it with a new one. And also 2 years ago I welded up this. The manifold was, you can see where I've been welding up there and there and almost all around this. Let's see, it starts there and it ends there, so it was cracked all the way around, but that's holding up fine. I was using the MIG welder, MIG mag, and no, that's not the recommendation for welding cast iron, but the method I used was first make a really big groove in the crack, and then drill where the crack ends. Drill there and drill there, and same goes for this one. Drill, drill, drill. So mostly it's been holding up fine, but I noticed that it's been cracking a little bit again down here. So I think I will try to repair that again. It's I guess it's the old crack that's been coming up here. And yeah, the method I used with the MIG welder was just welded with the pretty high settings, so you get much heat in the weld, and I just welded about maybe 2 centimeters at the most, about half an inch. Then let it weld, and then use this sort of hammer and bank it, hit the warm weld, and hit it with a hammer. That's supposed to take the tensions out of the weld. And then you let it cool, and then you're on it again for a few, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, quarter of an inch, half an inch, and let it cool. And so I'm pretty pleased with the result, so I think I'm gonna try it again. But I also saw that it was a little bit cracked in there. It's a little crack, so I think I will try to weld that also. Yeah. And then I'm gonna replace the flex pipe on this one and you have to, there was what do you call it? Oh, my English is not that fluent and I'm struggling with the right words, but I hope you get what I'm saying. Spot weld is the word. It was spot welded here, so I had to cut the spot welds. So this comes loose. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Take this heat shieldings off, and but first I'm gonna fix the manifold and put that on the car, and then put this on with the old and measure out how much I need to cut and where it should be. So hang on. Well, maybe this isn't cast iron, it's some kind of steel. It was really hard here. The drills didn't cut anything, so I had to use the Dremel tool with a grinding tool at the tip. So I think this is the best I can do with this crack. Yeah. As you could see, I had tried a different tactics with my welding this time. Didn't do the welding and cooling and welding and cooling. I thought I tried to keep it hot around the welding, so the spot where I'm welding isn't shocking the material. It's not a nice weld, but I hope it will hold up. It's going on a not so nice car anyhow, so and these manifolds are known for cracking, so finding I used one without cracks is pretty hard, so I have to make do with what I got. Also had to, there's a bolt that cut off for me. Have to drill it out or something. This one is really stubborn. And the battery in my phone, I'm filming with my mobile phone, was getting low, so I had to charge it. But I just have been drilling and trying to get it out with these kinds. We call them grispit in Sweden. Directly translated, it's pig dick. But yeah, that didn't work, so now I have to drill a 5mm hole to tap it with an M6 thread. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I guess I got some kind of a thread. But it's just for a heat shield, so it's not that important. But I thought it would be nice to yeah, if it was in order. Yeah. I call that done. Let's put it on the car next.